Do you want slim and strong and sexy legs? Then this is the workout for you. Hey, I'm Coach Greg with Svelte Training, and this is the 10-day Total Body Fat Burn Challenge. It is day 9. We are almost done, so join me on this workout. All right, here we go. It's Seal Jacks. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Starting off with one of my favorite jumping jack variations, we're just stepping out to the sides instead of leaving the ground and bringing our hands and arms out in front of us instead of overhead. This is a great full body warm-up exercise that's really gonna get your blood moving and feeling great. To the side, get your sweat going, your heart rate up, get some fast feet. 3, 2, 1, done. Great job. Next, we have those high knee marches. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Let's get marching. Bring those knees as high as you can. You're gonna feel it. Pull from your hip. Straight back. Just like that. It's really helping work out the hamstrings, your ankles, your calves, as well as your core as well. You have hands up here, hands on your hips, hands marching, holding on to something, whatever you prefer, baby. There it is. 3, 2, 1, down. Great job. We are cruising through this. Next, we have those squat and twists. Get yourself in position because we're going in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So squat down, boom, twist to the side. We are doing just standard squats. Choose whichever depth works for you. You can go full, half, quarter, whatever you like. But at the top of your squat, twist to the side. We're really getting and focusing on a rotational movement, really working out those obliques and core while also strengthening and exercising our lower body. Come on, it's so easy to modify these. There's no excuses to not move your body. There it is, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Last exercise though, we have those RDLs. Here we go. Feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, core is tight. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Finishing off with some Romanian deadlifts. I like to pretend I just went grocery shopping, so I have bags in my hand. I'm trying to close my car door with my bum. You're hinging from your hips, your knees are slightly bent, but you're gonna feel the stretch all up your legs, your calves, your quads, your glutes as well. Get to parallel and then hinge right back up, pulling from your hip flexors to get back into your starting position and repeat. We're there in 3, 2, let's do one more. And first set is done. Great job. Grab some water if you need to, but if not, we're gonna jump into this second set right now. You got this. I'm gonna stop talking, music's going up, let's have some fun. Seal jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. High knee marches, 3, 2, 1, go. Squat and twist, 3, 2, 1, go. RDLs, 3, 2, 1, go. Second set is done. Grab some water if you need to. We have one more set to go. Come on, this is day 9. Let's finish strong. You got this. Seal jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. High knee marches, 3, 2, 1, go. Squat and twist, 3, 2, 1, go. RDLs, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, that is day 9 done and dusted. We have one more day left in this total body fat burn challenge. Coach Gabby will be doing the honors of taking you all through that workout. So hopefully you've had an amazing time over the last 9 days. Burning fat, having fun, seeing amazing progress on your health journey. But I'm Coach Greg, I will see you soon. Stay strong, my friend, peace.